Hi everyone, welcome to InvestED. Today we're discussing alternative investments. If your portfolio is a standard mix of stocks, bonds, and cash, you're playing by the traditional rules, and alternative investments are quite literally everything else. We're talking about real estate, private equity, hedge funds, venture capital, even commodities like gold. Now, the obvious question is, why complicate things? And the answer is diversification. Alternatives typically have a low correlation to traditional stocks and bonds, and therefore, when stocks sell off, you have alternative investments that are steadier and often moving completely independently. But there is a trade-off, and the trade-off, one trade-off is liquidity. Unlike a blue chip stock, you can't simply liquidate a private equity stake or a commercial property on a Tuesday afternoon just because you need the cash. Alternatives, they require patience, due diligence, and often a significantly longer time horizon. Another trade-off is fees. Often alternative strategies, they're harder to access, they're more complicated, and therefore they cost a bit more than traditional investments. So you as an investor, you need to evaluate whether the diversification benefits of incorporating alternative investments outweigh some of the trade-offs, and if so, they probably make sense as part of a balanced portfolio. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.